Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is sound of A. You know, A sounds A. A sounds A. A sounds A. In this session, we will understand the A sound words. In this session, we will frame words with sound A. Let us start the session with the help of a video. Here students, we will see a picture first and try to find out the words with A sound. Here we have a picture, and in this picture you can see a boy who is sad. Here is a car. Here is boy again who is wearing cap. Rat. Rat is in hat. Then we have cat. Can. Bat, bag, man. All these words are with A sound. Which sound? A sound. Here you can see a word sad. This boy is sad. sad. बीच में A का sound आ रहा है. S का sound होता है. sad. It makes a word of 3 letters. इसके अंदर 3 letter का use हुआ है, इसलिए हम इसे बोलते हैं 3 letter words. sad. Let us look more. car. Apple, cap. rat. hat. bat. cat. bag. can. man. Here we can see all of the words now, and all of the words have A sound in between. hat, rat, man, can. All these words are having A sound in between. A sounds A. Let us move forward and individually start reading the words. Here we have the words, and the first words we have with an sound. An. A, N को जब हम together बोलते हैं तब हम उसके sound के साथ उसको pronounce करते हैं, which is A sounds A, N sounds N. An. And the words we have is fan, man, pan, can, van. Fan, fan. All these words are having A sound in between. Next we have is bad, dad, mad, pad, dad. All these words are with add sound at last. Bad, dad, mad, pad. All these words are with add sound. Next, we will see more words with A sound. More words with A sound are cap, gap, lap, map, tap. All these words are with app sound. Cap, gap, lap, map, tap. These are the sounds with app. Next, we have the words with A sound with sound at. At, sat, at, fat, at, cat, at, pat, at, hat. All these words are with at. Sat, fat, cat, pat, hat. All these are at sound words. Let us move forward and see more words with A sound in the middle, which are bar, car, far, jar, war. All these words are with R sound. Jar, bar, car. All these are producing R sound, and bar, jar, car, far, war are all these words with A sound. Let us move forward and see other words with A sound. A sounds A. Here we have bake cake. आप इसमें देख सकते हैं इसमें केक को बेक कर रहे हैं तो we will say bake cake. Bake and cake both are rhyming words. They produce the same sound. The ends of the sound are same and also they have a in between. Bake cake. Let's see the next word. Fat rat. Here you can see the rat which is so fat. So we will say fat rat. Fat and rat are also rhyming words. Yes. Next we have man, van. In this picture we can see a man and a van. So man and van. Both are rhyming words. Both are ending with an sound. And they are with a sound. Man, van. And next is can, pan. This is a can. This is a pan. Can and pan are again rhyming words with a sound. That's all students for today's session. I hope you all are now aware with the sound of a and their words. That's all for today's session.